Hi there, I'm Kristen from Jimmy Beans Wool, and I have here in my hands the Rossetti Polaris yarn. This yarn is really unique. I have never seen another yarn like this, at least not through our shop. So it's definitely something different. I kind of like it a lot, actually. It's got some great colors, and they're all sort of self-striping variegated colors, but they're more tonal, I've noticed. So this yarn is a DK weight, or it's like a sport slash DK. It's kind of in the middle of that range. It does recommend a size 6 needle, but it also is considered a light yarn, so you could use anywhere from like a 4 to a 6 with this yarn. 191 yards per ball, which is a really generous amount of yardage for a ball this size, I think. Really unique in that it has it's a wool acrylic blend, and then it has a little strand with, I don't know if you can really see this, and I'm going to get a color here that'll show it. It has a little strand of sequins kind of held throughout, so it kind of has a little bit of a glittery pop to it, which is definitely a lot of fun. Plus, this yarn is, all of the colors are actually named after different constellations or things in the night sky, which I think is kind of cool. For example, this one's Leo, this one is Pisces, and we've got Libra, Scorpio, let's see, Virgo. And then it's funny, these two are a little different, but they look very similar. This one is black and white with a little bit of gray, and this color is called Zenith. And then this one is mostly black and gray, so it doesn't have the white in it, so depending on your preference, whether you like the really stark contrast of the black and white or you want something more subtle, this one is called Pear Seeds, which I don't know if I pronounced that right, but hey, I tried. Alright, so anyway, that's Rossetti Polaris. It's a really unique yarn. It is actually quite soft. I like the fact that it's got the acrylic in it. It makes it a little easier to care for. But yeah, this would be a lot of fun for different things like accessories, or anything that you want in it. A shawl would be gorgeous in this. I would maybe you could definitely consider using it for a sweater, but it is a single ply, so just take that into consideration as you're thinking about using it for a garment. It's going to take a little more wear in certain areas, because I think the singles just don't always wear as well, especially when they've got like this wool kind of acrylic content. I just don't think they wear as well, like in the armpits and the elbows and things like that. But yeah, I think you could definitely find a lot of uses for a fun yarn like this. So in any case, thank you so much for watching. This is again Rossetti Polaris, and my name is Kristen. I'm from Jimmy Beans Wool, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!
Thunder rumbles on this American summer night.